In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can easily turn on the developer options and how you can allow apps from unknown sources here on your Grundig TV. Okay, for the first what we have to do is that we go here into the menu. So click on the home menu here, and here from the home menu go all the way to the right into the quick settings. So click in the quick settings right now and then go here on all settings. Okay, and here on all settings go to system. And here on system, go on about, and there we go all the way down. So, and here we have like Android TV OS build, and what we have to do now is that we here press OK button until we get or we are developer. And when we go back now, then we have like here the developer options in the settings. So here when we go down, we have like this on system here. And then here we have like the developer options. Okay, and if we want to allow apps from unknown sources, then we go here on apps, and here on apps we go all the way down to like security, and here make sure that you turn like scan apps with play protect off. And sometimes here on security or on the permissions you can also go and when you have like a download app, then you can give this special permission for unknown apps directly to the download app on older TV models. Okay, and this is all we have to do. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.